never seen something like that. They are flowers. Flowers. These are made for, it's a medical.
Yes, yes, I bought them at the pharmacy.
Yeah, it's
so
a medical
they're
shoes.
kind of special. I don't know what's special about them.
No, because it's for to keep your feet well.
I don't know. Do you recognize any similarity between the decoration on top and the third paradise symbol?
No, I recognize because you recognized before me, and you bought it for that reason, no? For
Yes,
the reason
yes.
that you find the sign of the third paradise. Huh? Okay, so this is very interesting. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's a symbol that is very simple that you can find by chance also.
Do you think that there might be any connection between the ideas of the manufacturers and your ideas of the third paradise?
This it's no, I don't think that that it exists. The idea of manufacturing, but the sense is practically referring to this concept of third paradise because you have two parts that are divided, and you need something to keep the two parts together.
Yes.
In one part it can be the first paradise, separate from the second paradise, but there is the third circle, the third flower that brings the two parts together. So it's a kind of a connection between two opposite sides. It becomes, in a certain way, it's meaningful. It means negative and positive, or simply two different things that need to be connected. No? So
it's true. Yeah, I think that's a good explanation for it.
Yeah.
And I was wondering, and what the manufacturers made of thought when they were trying to while they were designing the shoes.
They stopped.
Thought. They were thinking about. They were.
I think that they were taught.
What did they want to communicate through?
They want to communicate a symbol of health, because they choose you see also the symbol of flower they have here, and it is a flower. It is the concept of a flower. In effect, it can be related also with the idea of the garden, because paradise it means garden, protected garden, healthy garden, and the flower it can be taken from this garden, from the garden of the health, and also of the how can you say of working, using the symbol for working, and you have two shoes, not only one. It is repeated 2 times, and so it creates the fact that there is a collaboration, there is a participation of two different of the feet. The feet represent the way to move, to go ahead, to make steps ahead. You can also make steps back, but normally you use the shoes in order to go ahead. And there is a kind of competition between one leg and another. But at the same time, it's impossible that one leg want to compete to arrive before the other. At the end, one is always before, but also the other is going in the same direction. And it is why the competition, it become also a participation. It become a common participation. It can be also the symbol of the participation in the continuous movement of in Italiano si dice gareggiare, in the sense of competition. The competition. One is always going ahead, but also the other is reaching the same point. So it can be also an idea that for me is important in the concept of the third paradise, of competing in participating.
And I also want to ask, well, because you created that symbol, and it's used also as a symbol of Città dell'Arte. Also I see it's used as a logo for the best office, for the fashion office.
Yes.
And I'd like to know if the manufacturers are in position to use this.
The logo of the Città dell'Arte fashion is related with the concept of best, bioethical, sustainable trend. So the sustainability it's important, and the ecological concept of life is important. All the production, all the products have a social responsibility. There is a social responsibility in all the kind of product, but I wanted to really to put the symbol of this responsibility on a production of textile and design that want to be responsible, that show the responsibility. In effect, that material that we produce, that we use, is material totally ecological. So this is why. And also the symbol I use for Città dell'Arte fashion is a symbol that imitates the symbol of the recycling.
Okay. Yes.
It takes inside the concept of recycling. Recycling, and because the nature is recycling, always, everything. We try to interrupt with our artificial systems to interrupt the recycling capacity of the nature. But at the end, the nature doesn't stop to recycle. And we have to imitate the nature now and not to go against it. So this I don't know if this material is made with natural material, but you are intellectually recycling these shoes.
In the moment. Okay, and now one last question: how can we, reinterpret that symbol in a way that we create new meanings? Or what can we do with the shoes in order to reinterpret the symbol here? Or
I think that your idea of using this symbol with this conversation, it's a way to use it in the best way for us.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you to you.
Thank you very much.
Hey.